What's up guys, Tony here. I just got my delivery from our friends at RangeMaster. They're putting out some brand new products. This is one that I've been looking for. So this is a chart for shoulder range of motion. This is something I'm gonna put right on the wall, right over there. And the whole idea is, obviously we can have our clients, our patients, use this as a quick visual cue to see improvement. So let's take a look. Once I've got this up and hanging, then I'm going to be able to just bring the client over there. Not only will I have the client go flexion, abduction, but I'll snap photos of the client while they're standing in front of the chart so that I can send those photos to the client either with their home exercise program or as a component of their progress report so that the client can see the progress that they're actually making. It's one thing for you and I to say, you're at 120 degrees of flexion. That doesn't really mean anything to the individual. But when they can see it on the chart, especially with the color coding system that they have from green to yellow to red, I think this will be awesome. And this is something that I can then incorporate into the progress reports that go out to the physicians and potentially the insurance companies upon review. So guys, I want to first thank RangeMaster for sending this. RangeMaster is doing a ton of work to try and connect with PTs and OTs who are boots on the ground, working with patients every day because they produce really great high quality products that we want our patients to use. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.